we are going to discuss exercise 3.1, chapter trigonometry, 11th standard mathematics. In the first class, we discussed an example related to the conversion between radian and degree, and a problem related to sector, that is arc length, radius, and central angle, that is r into theta equal to L, based on the sector formula and the conversion between radian measure and degree measure, and we discussed a few examples. Now, as application of those area, and we have to discuss exercise 3.1. Let us start first question of the exercise 3.1. First question, conversion. First question, subdivision 1, and convert 25 degree. Convert 25 degree into its radian measure. This is a question. Okay, convert 25 degree into its radian measure. 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. 1 degree. 25 degree, 25 times, and pi by 180. If we simplify by 5 table, this 5 times 3 times 15 and 306 times 36 times. So 5 pi by 6 to mean radian. This is a 25 degree. So in order to convert a degree into radian, what to do? A unitary method. The 25 degree mean we should write 25 into 1 degree. Instead of 1 degree, take pi by 180. Then simplify to the maximum level and leave it. This is subdivision 1. In the same question, subdivision 2, minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Convert minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Minus 47 degree 30 minutes. The entire angle is a negative angle into radian measure. Into radian measure. Okay. Then remember, student, 30 minutes equal to 30 by and 60 degree. That is 1 by 2 degree or 0.5 degree. Then 47 degree 30 minute is nothing but minus 47 degree 30 minutes equal to minus 47.5 degree. Okay, so this can be written and 80, 94, 95 minus 95 by 2 into 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 radian. On simplification is equal to, then by 5 table, there is 1 time, 9 times here, and 3 times, this 36 times, 19 pi minus 19 pi, the denominator 2 times 36 is 72 radian. This is subdivision 2, and minus 47 degree 30 minutes minus 19 pi by 72 radian, and go through it. We'll move to next subdivision of question number 1. Okay. And third subdivision of question number 1, 240 degree. Third subdivision, convert 240 degree into a radian measure. Into a radian measure. Okay, and 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. Then this implies 240 degree, 240 times pi by 180 radian, and between 24 and 18 and 6 will go 4 times 6 and 3 times 6, 4 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, 4 times 6 and 3 times 6, 4 pi by 3 radian. So dear student, 240 degree is nothing but 4 pi by 3 radian. 4 pi by 3 radian. Clear? Now we'll go to next subdivision. Subdivision 4. The fourth subdivision, 520. Convert 520 degree into radian measure. This is a question. Usual formalities should be applied. And 520 degree is 520 into 1 degree. Then 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. Then 52 pi by 18. That is 25, 26 and 9. 26 will not go by 3 and 19 will go by 3. So we cannot simplify further. So 26 pi by 9 radian is nothing but 520. 520. Copy it. And 52, 26 times 2 and 52. And I think here we need a little more clarification. This is 52 by 18 pi. Yeah, this is by 2 second table, 26 times by second table, 2 tables, that is 9 times. Then 26 and 9 will not go, so correct only 26 and pi by 9 radian. And go through it. We'll go to next question. Question number 2, the conversion from a radian into measure. That is the reverse converse case of question number 1. Okay. Second question, subdivision 1, convert the given radian measure 11 by 16 into a degree, into degree measure. So 11 by 16 radian, actually 11 by 16 radian. We should convert 11 by 16 radian into degree measure. Okay, 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, or 180 into 7 by 22. 7 by 22. Then by 2 table, this is 90 and this is 11. So 1 radian equal to 90 into 7 and 630 by 11. or we can keep it 90 into 7, correct? This is 1 radian in term of degree. Now we need to convert 11 by 16 radian. This implies 11 by 16 radian equal to 11 by 16 for 1 radian 630 by 11 degree. So 11 and 11 cancel, and 8 times and 315 degree. So 315 by 8 degree. By long division method, we can convert in term of degree, then minutes, then second. We'll go by long division method. 315, so divided by 8. Okay, and 3 times 8, 24. Then 5 and 31 and 24, 6 and 7. So 11 minus 4, 75. Okay. In 75, 9 times and 8 is 72. And 3. And 3 0. Or 3 by 8. 3 by 8. How to write this? 39 degree. And remainder 3. 3 by 8. Or 3 into 60 by 8. The degree is now minutes. So 3 times and 60, 180 by 8. And now we have to divide 180 by 8. And 2 times 16, 20. Again 2 times 16 and 4. So 22 minutes. 39 degree, 22 minutes. And remainder 4. And 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So 39 degree, 22 minute and 30 second is nothing but 11 by 16 radian. And go through this conversion. This conversion is very important. This conversion is very important. Go through it. Next question. Second question. Subdivision 2. Convert -4 radian into a degree measure. Degree measure. Take note of the question. Okay. -4 radian is -4 into 1 radian. -4 into 1 radian equal to and pi by, that is 180. We need a degree 180 by and pi. -4 into 180 into 7 by 22. 7 by 22 is 90 times, is 11 times. Okay. Then this another approach also we can take, because in the last class we discussed 1 radian equal to and 50 and 7 degree, 21 minute and 16 and second. 16 second. That conversion you can apply straight away. Okay, and 4 into 90 into 7, the denominator 11, 9 into 7, 63 into 4, 0, 12, 4 into 6, 24, 25, 2520 by 11 degree into minus sign. Yes, 1 radian equal to 180 by pi a degree, and pi approximately our nearest rational value 22 by 7. The reciprocal form 7 by 22. Between 180 and 22, 90, 11, 90 into 7, 630 into 4, 2520 by 11. Now, as usual, and we can simplify what to do. And 2520, so divided by 11, 2 times 11, 22, 320, again 2 times 11, 22, this 10, 100, then 9 times 11, 99, 1. So 1 by 11, 229 degree. 1 by 11 degree mean 1 into 60, 60 by 11 minute, 60 by 11 minute. 1 by 11 degree equal to 60 by 11 minutes. Now, what to do? Divide is 60 by 11 and 5 times 55 and 5. Now this is 229 minus degree and 5 minutes, then 5 into 60 and 300 by 11 second. In 300 how many 11? And 2 times 11, 22, 8, 7 times 77, enough. So minus 229 degree, 5 minutes and 27 seconds. So this is nothing but minus 4 radian. Minus 4 radian equal to minus 229 degree, 5 minutes, 27 seconds. And copy it. Okay, next question, subdivision 3, second question. Five pi by 3, convert 5 pi by 3 radian into degree measure. 5 pi by 3 radian into degree measure. Okay, and 5 pi by 3 radian is 5 pi by 3 into 1 radian. That 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degree. We can cancel between pi and pi. Then this will go by 3, 1 time 3, 60. Okay, 5 times 60, 300 degree. 300 degree. Pi by 3 means 60. 60 into 5, 300 degree. So 5 pi by 3 radian is equal to 300 degree measure. This conversion. This is the third subdivision of second question. Go through it. Now, one more subdivision given, fourth subdivision. The fourth subdivision, and we need to convert 7 pi by 6 radian into degree measure. Degree measure. Okay. 7 pi by 6 radian is 7 pi by 6 into 1 radian. 1 radian 180 by pi degree. Pi and pi cancel. This 1 time is 30 time. 1 time and 30 time. So 210 degree. 7 pi by 6 radian, 210 degree. 5 pi by 3 radian, 300 degree. Copy it. We'll move to question number 3. Just copy it. Third question, a wheel makes a wheel, it is circular shape, wheel makes 360 revolution. 360 like this, 360 times revolution in 1 minute. In 1 minute. This is data. What is the actual question? Through how many radian? How many radians? Through how many radian? Measure. How many radian does it turn in 1 second? Does it turn in 1 second? From the data, and in 1 minute mean number of revolution. In 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 1 minute. The number of revolutions and in 60 seconds or 1 minute equal to 360 in number. 360 revolution. But we need a number of revolution in 1 second, and this implies number of revolution in 1 second is equal to 360 by 60 is equal to 6 revolution. Remember student, 1 revolution equal to 2 pi radian. So the amount of radian or the corresponding radian measure. Six into 2 pi. It is 12 pi radian. This is the answer. This particular wheel and revolves around this axis, like in rotational dynamics. Number of revolution in 1 second and 6 revolution. Each revolution equal to 2 pi radian. So total number of the radian measure and traveled by the wheel about axis of rotation is 12 pi radian. 12 pi radian. Just copy it. We'll go to the next question. Question number 4 and similar question. Okay. And fourth question from the same exercise 3.1 of trigonometry. And find a degree measure. Find degree measure. Find degree measure of the angle subtended at the center. Subtended at the center. Subtended at the center of a sector or a circle of radius. Circle of radius. How much? Radius is 100 centimeter. By an arc of length. It is arc length given 22 centimeter. Then find a degree measure of the angle subtended. Listen, if you consider a sector with a central angle theta in radian, the radius of the sector OAD or the arc length AB is 22 centimeter. L equal to 22 centimeter. What is the corresponding result? Which relation connects central angle or subtended angle, radii and arc length? R into theta in radian. R into theta in radian will be equal to L. Then theta in radian equal to L by R. But we need the corresponding angle in degree measure, and theta, let us find this first of all. L equal to 22 centimeter and R equal to 100 centimeter. It is 11 by 50 theta in radian. Okay, and this implies theta in degree. Theta in degree equal to 11 by 50. 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. Okay, that is 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. We need theta in degree. Then you can cancel by 10, 5 times and 18 times. 11 by 5, 18 by pi is 7 by 22 by 7, 22 into 7. Okay, this 1 time, this 2 times, this 1 time, this 9 times. 9 into 7, 63 by 5. So 63 by 5 degree. And copy it by long division method. We should find a degree and minute and second and copy it. Now I'll go the long division method here. 63 is divided by and 5 and 1 time 5 1 3 2 times. Okay, 10 3 3 by 5. Then how to write 5 degree and 3 by 5 means 3 into 60, 180 by 5 minutes. 180 by 5 minutes. That is 5 degree. In 180, how many 5? And 3 times and 6 times, 36. Okay, minutes. Remember, student, The central angle in radian, the radian is converted into degree. So this degree in degree measure 5 degree 36 minutes. This is the answer, and copy this. This problem is related to sector area. Okay, one more question we'll discuss now. And question number 5. Question number 5. In a circle, of a diameter 40 centimeter. 2 are equal to 40 centimeter means radius equal to 20 centimeter. The length of chord is 20 centimeter. Length of chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc. Find the length of the minor arc. Okay, listen. If you consider a circle, the center is taken as O. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, a chord is taken 20 centimeter, radius 20, the chord 20, 20, 20, 20. This should be an equilateral triangle. All the three sides are equal mean the central angle should be 60 degree in radian and pi by 3. Question: what is arc length? AB is equal to what? AB is equal to what? Take the diagram along with the question. It is known that because of equilateral triangle, this 60 degree central angle, the corresponding arc length we need. What is arc length formula? Arc length, central angle in degree mean theta by 360 into and circumference 2 pi r. This is general formula from lower standard, and theta is 60 degree, and out of 360 both the degree and 2 pi are equal to 20. Okay, 1 time, 6 times, and 3 times, and 10 times. 10 into 2, 20 pi by 3. 20 pi by 3 or pi equal to 22 by 7 centimeter. Or you can convert 20 by 3 into 22 by 7, simplify and centimeter. So this is the answer and copy it. Dear student, you can simplify the last part to give your answer corrected to 2 decimal places. This is question number 5. So in this exercise, only 7 questions are there. I have discussed 5 questions. I will discuss one more question. The 7th question, and try yourself. From your side, you have to attempt to get the correct answer. Sixth question is given if in two circles, we had already done similar question as example. Two circle arc of same length. Arc of a same length, subtend angles. One is 60 degree, the other one is 75 degree. 60 degree and 75 degree at the center. Okay. What the actual question? At the center, find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii. Okay, arc length, it is known that arc length L equal to R into theta. The two arc length L1 and L2 equal is given. Then L1 equal to R1 theta 1, L2 equal to R2 theta 2. Question, the ratio of radii R1 by R2 should be equal to theta 2 by theta 1. Theta 2 is 75 degree, theta 1 60 degree. Then by 5 table, 1 time 5 and 3 times 13 and 12. What is the ratio? R1 is to R2 is 13 is to 12. And go through it. Then the last question, I'll give you hint. You try to get the answer. Okay. First copy this. We'll go to next question and last question of this session. Yes, student. What the last question? Find the angle in radian. Find the angle in radian. And through which a pendulum swings, a simple pendulum. A pendulum swings. A pendulum swings if its length is the length of the rod. Its length is 75 centimeter. 75 centimeter and the tip describes and its tips describes an arc of length, and three different lengths is given. One is 10 centimeter. The second one is 15 centimeter. And third one is 21 centimeter. Very simple question. I'll do the first part. You can try now the second and third part, following the same procedure. And arc length is L given, and its length is 75 centimeter. There is a radius given. Okay, first case L1 equal to R1 into theta 1. correct? R1. L1 is equal to 10 centimeter. R1 75 centimeter. Okay, and theta 1 we need to find. Theta 1 we need to find. Very important point to be noted. In all the three cases, the radius is going to be same. R1, R2, R3, all the three are equal because this is a simple pendulum. This is metal ball. This swings like this. This is simple pendulum. This length is taken as R equal to 75 centimeter. Okay, the arc length, the right extreme, this is the left extreme, this is arc length. In three different cases given 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and 21 centimeter. In the first case, arc length equal to 10 centimeter, and theta, the corresponding angle, this is theta 1. So the total angle subtended by the arc. So what about theta 1? Question, find angle in radian. This should be radian, and theta 1 radian equal to 10 over 75, that is 2 by and 13. 2 by and 13 and radian. That's all. 2 by 13 radian, and 2 times 5 and 30 times, and 50 and 3 times. Okay, correct. So this is the answer. My dear student, and follow the same procedure. L2 equal to R going to be same, R1, R2, R3. L2 equal to R1 into theta 2. Or L3 equal to R1 into theta 3. Then find the corresponding angle theta 2 and theta 3, applying the same procedure. So, dear student, I have completed and first exercise of the chapter trigonometry 3.1. In the previous session, we discussed example. In this session, we have discussed complete exercise. In the next one, and we will discuss and how to find out various trigonometric ratios for a different nature of the angle, acute angle or obtuse angle in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. That kind of question will be discussed in the next session. Thank you, students.